Nope. See you later, FC. I gotta take it. I gotta take a dump real quick. I'll be right back. He needs to get on an earlier shit schedule. Dude, I tried. All right. I took a shit earlier when I woke up, but it's that first cup of coffee, man. It just goes right through you. I've tried everything, dude. I've tried black coffee. I've tried fucking dairy-free creamer. I've tried milk and sugar as a creamer. I've tried
You're
everything, dude.
straight black. You ever do that? You just said that,
Yeah,
right?
I've tried straight
Yeah,
black. It still goes right through me,
it
man.
goes right through you. Well, it's a diuretic. It's naturally gonna
Oh yeah,
fucking pull
obviously.
everything out of you. It makes me piss like crazy. I usually get dehydrated because of
Mm,
the coffee. But I drink mine black. I don't do any creamers or sugars. I've been drinking it black for years now, just because it's better for you, less shit, calories, all that crap. But
yeah, that's
um,
fair.
yeah. As long as you shit the first thing in the morning, cocaine might work.
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
Yeah. I hear you. I hear you. That's what nicotine's for.
Yeah, exactly. I usually smoke a cigar a day if I can. Not every day, but most days.
Yeah, exactly. My
Ugh,
fingers
terrible,
got
but
tar stains on them while I'm trading. No.
exactly. Your teeth like all yellow
Yeah,
and shit.
that's gross.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, I know I sound like a fag, but I usually wear a friggin' like glove when I smoke a cigar, so I get my
No
hands all
way.
gross and shit.
That's
I
funny.
shit you not, dude. I wear. You can even ask. I have a picture. I
Holy
think I sent
shit.
the fat cat of me holding the fucking cigar with the fucking glove on. I don't want my fucking fingers and nails turning yellow. Fuck that shit.
It's
Nasty.
hilarious, dude. Uh,
I guess we lost Master Cat.
yeah, I don't know where he's going. Maybe he's
Yeah.
doing something else. Have you ever streamed to Discord using OBS? Does it work?
Not uh
Ugh.
not via OBS. No, I've only you've got to get your belching looked at, by the way. You belch
Oh,
a
I
lot.
do burble. That's a fair
Like, are you
fucking point.
okay, bro? Like, it's like I don't know you got something going on there.
I did.
Um, I
That's
can't
fine.
say I've ever used OBS go to Discord, because with Discord you choose, like your monitor or the window you're
Yeah,
trying to share. Um, I didn't even know you can do that with OBS. I've only used OBS for like YouTube streaming and shit. So yeah, your stream just failed to start. Nice.
yeah.
I
I
don't
don't
know.
think it's working.
Fucking thing. Yeah, Discord's a fucking cunt anyway.
Try.
Because you stream till YouTube, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
yeah. And I
Yeah.
was wondering because I execute like on OBS, you can see my executions, but if I just stream on Discord, you can't. Trying to figure out.
I'm assuming you're sharing you have multiple monitors at your
Yeah, multiple
Yeah.
monitors.
Yeah, I don't think what the hell is this thing called? Let's custom do. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Yeah, I don't think you can on Discord. I don't. Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah,
seem like
I
it
don't
has an
think so
option.
either.
Although it has a screen capture recorder. I don't know what the fuck that is though, but it's the Windows thing. Okay, never mind. I don't know. Whatever.
Yeah, it's all right. I'll survive.
Whew. It's a big fucking rip up there. The fuck was that about?
Yeah, I don't know. Do we have any news today? We got some 10:30 shit going on.
Mm. It's one thing I miss about Sierra is have my little news. What was it? Financial Juice, I think it pulled from.
Yeah,
Little news
yeah, dude,
snippet.
it's so cool. I love that little thing.
Uh, I'm being a cheap bastard. I don't want to pay for Sierra, and I've got a platform that is like 80% of the way there. So
Yeah, that's
take
fair,
it for
man.
free.
That's probably fair. If I had a free fucking platform I could get, I'd
Yeah,
probably use that.
fucking
But
use it. Yeah. Plus the tape and their 10-second charts, fucking just
yeah,
awesome. So I'll stick with it. Maybe I'll go back to Sierra. Who knows?
yeah, it is fucking expensive, man. That eats into my costs each month by
Yeah,
a big
it adds
portion.
up. I mean, I write it off on the business. I don't give a shit. But still, it's still an expense regardless.
I want fucking dude. Fat Cat needs to make an LLC, man. Yeah,
He
'cause I want.
has. He has several. The
I
problem
want
is
that shit.
though, the problem with it when you register as an LLC, you become a professional. You have to pay professional data rates, and you go into a different category with
That's
financial stuff.
fucking true. Yeah.
It's a
God damn
fucking
it.
nightmare. You're better off staying as an individual and not dealing with that headache. And the good thing with Future, since it's you get a 1099 and it's 60/40 on the tax split,
Mm,
it's a hell of a lot more advantageous than like stock traders who have to worry about wash rules and wash
mm,
sale rules, all that bullshit. Like with us, we just get a fucking 1099 from the broker, and your accountant says, "Oh, okay, you made a loss, and here you go." Like when I was doing stock trading, day trading stocks, I give my accountant the fucking forms at the end of the year. She's like, "You had $1 million? You can't. If I show that to the IRS, they're gonna think you made $1 million." I'm like, "No, I had margin. It doesn't matter." She's like freaking the fuck out. But I'm like,
that's
"Oh,
funny.
sorry. All right, all right."
God,
I
I'll
had a
switch
loss
to
anyway, so it didn't
futures.
matter. But anyway,
That's hilarious.
yeah. So you better off sticking with personal if you can for
Yeah,
as long as you
that's a
need
good
to.
point. That's something I didn't think of.
Yeah.
Paying those professional rates.
Right. I mean, yeah, you can write the data off, but again, it's still an added expense that
Hmm.
you'll come out of your pocket every month or whatever. So,
Yeah, good point. Good point.
don't worry, I'm not going to chew your ear off during the open. I'll go on mute so you can focus.
No, you're
I
good,
know I'm
dude.
annoying.
I'm thinking I might switch my data so that I can see my executions on
Oh, on
on
Sierra
this
chart.
monitor. Yeah,
That's the one thing I
I'm
with
gonna hide
at least
this.
with DAS in the current state, they're beta testing their 10-second chart, their lower time frame chart, so you can't see
Mhm.
your order execution on there. So I'd like look at my other. It's annoying as hell, but yeah, that's cool. You can at least do that with your between your you have Jigsaw, right? Or no, your prop that you're executing through.
Prop, yeah. So
Oh,
I just have the Sierra chart DOM.
gotcha. Okay, gotcha,
Yeah.
gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. Oof, and there's your reclaim, big ass dump right back.
Mhm. As it does. As it fucking
Uh,
does.
unreal. Well, that was a fair value gap, and there were
Oh,
turtles
yeah, don't yeah,
in a liquidity
obviously.
zone.
Dude, God, don't you know your fair value
I should know
gaps?
my shit and there was a moving average that like acted as resistance, bro. Like, come on, man,
Mm,
get your shit together.
it's stupid.
Fucking retarded bullshit.
Alright.
God help us. All right, let's see. Ready for the next batch here. It was an order block. Yeah, his algo was running. Seriously, you gotta like stick with the algo, bro. Oh, this fucking guy.
Alright.
Alrighty, we got in store today. Man, if this thing, I mean, I'm looking at the MNQ, but like, Christ, if this thing breaks below, what, 29,000, man, it's got a lot of room below us. I'm hoping it bounces there and continues upward, but shit,
Yeah. Yeah, the 10-minute chart for ES kind of looks the same.
pretty ugly. I'm looking at a daily chart for the MNQ, but still, it's, there's a head and shoulders of support there, but I don't know. We'll see. See what happens today.
Yep.
Thought I turned that off.
We'll see.
Yep.
I'm gonna share my YouTube link in the chat because I find that if Fat Cat's not here to discipline me, then you guys can
Get a spanking.
yeah spank me a little bit, just a little bit,
Oh,
tasteful spanking.
just on a light spanking, not a hard one. Okay, all right.
Yep, yep.
Oh,
Just a
for
little.
Christ's sakes. Uh,
All right, that way you guys can see my executions.
cool. All right, here we go. Oh, okay.
Oh damn. Okay. All right, Harvey, calm down, buddy. It's 9:30. All right.
Oof. Got to rip down.
Yeah, it was a huge move down on buy volume. What the fuck?
Like 10 points in 1 second on the MNQ. I love that. I just took a quick trade. I got 10 points in literally a second.
Nice. That little 60-second open gamble. I like it. I like it.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. No, I saw what I needed. This is crazy.
Yeah, nice reclaim up there.
Mhm.
I'm gonna pulse check along 43.25. And that would probably be a loss. I'd probably take it off there.
Mm.
Could still work. Oh, there it is.
There it goes.
Yeah, if I had a bit of a loose leash on that one, it could have worked. But now, right back down. Trapped buyers above. We got a whole bunch of inventory balance below. They're just gonna keep ripping it, I think. Oh yeah.
There's a reclaim.
Little liquidity grab up there. There's really big seller up there. That was a 370 lot. He might get squeezed.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
Wow.
he got squeezed.
Lots of
Ooh,
buying.
another big
Oh
one.
shit!
Sheesh.
Woo-hoo-hoo. That is one heavy tape.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Let's see
Figures
what the
100 points for my entry.
heat maps are
Of
doing.
course.
The heat map's bright green up here with a big order. I'm gonna pulse check a short. 5650. Invalidated above 59. Oh yeah, she's running. Nice slip range here with support below. I'm gonna look for a long at the bottom of the slip range, 6250. Got the fill. Take it to the top of the slip range, but I didn't get the exit. Took it for a 2-tick loss. Let's see if it works. And it would have worked. That's all right. I'll take a 2-tick loss where I can get it. I'd rather that than the fucking 15-tick slip it would have taken on the way down.
Yep. Stick to your plan, man. You got the execution down. That's huge. The
Mm.
discipline. Let's see if we get a reclaim here.
So it held that support again. I'm going to try 2 long. Starting to accept. I'm getting a little hesitant on my exits. I think a 1-tick loss was warranted in that case. And it looked like it would have because that would have hit my stop, that sharp move down. So loose stops today is going to be the name of the game, at least for these continuation trades.
Yep. Loose like Greg's asshole.
Uh. All right, we got some higher highs, some higher lows.
Lagging out here.
Confirmation of a slip range here.
Come on. I'll follow you here.
I'm gonna try the 65.25 long. Work the exit there. Got the 5-tick win.
Good job.
That was a 6-tick win, actually.
Don't follow through.
Yeah, it's struggling a little bit. I'm not crazy about longs anymore.
Yeah. Dip it down a bit.
I know, dude. I'm fucking gassy today.
Mine usually comes out the other end, so no worries. I'm like ripping ass all night, keeping the wife awake.
yeah, I hear you.
It's a fucking nice failed flag or whatever. Failed
Man,
breakout.
huge move down, but no selling volume on the delta.
Mhm.
That is crazy.
Yep. Just pulling the fucking bids. She's fucking wild.
A lot of trapped buyers up there.
Mm.
All right, it held the reclaim. So now we're back into long bias. Let's see what it does at the high here. I think the high is 68.25 or something, 68 even. Could be a reject here. Oh yeah, she's chewing away at these orders. Still no selling though. The offers are not hitting. There's so much inventory below us. I think if it keeps making these lower highs, there could be a potential short here based on the buyers getting squeezed. Because with all this buying and it's not making any fresh highs, they could get liquidated. Oh yeah, she's moving. I had a 65 short on micros. I'm going to take it off here for a nice 5-point win. I think it could go lower, but I also just want to get some points on the board. I could potentially be making a higher low here too on the 30-second. Oh, no, they ain't. Could be the unwind. So definitely short biased as we head into the reclaim here. But I'm not going to be too aggressive about that either. Going to look for nice slip ranges for the continuation shorts.
Goddamn clients texting me. I fucking missed that. Son of a bitch.
Fuck, man. Jesus Christ.
Does it
Whew.
burn when you burp, or is it just
No,
gas coming out?
no,
Okay.
I had a heavy breakfast too. That's probably why, honestly.
No, that'll do it to you.
That'll
It's
do
not,
it.
you're not shitting out the other end. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
Blowing it out.
So we got a retest of the opening range high here. Just so much fair value gap, obviously.
Yeah, oh, fair value. Come on, dude.
Obviously, yeah. There's just still so much inventory below us. This thing could have legs to the downside.
Blow them all out.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, MNQ 29, 550 ish, 575. Let's see what we get here. Oops.
The bids are trying here.
Yep.
Nice little
Just
slip
get washed
range.
out. A little bit of progress there. Let's see. Damn. Man, I need a bit more aggressive. Let's see. So we got a second leg down here. Yo, oof. Sellers are getting absorbed a bit. Oh, maybe not. Nope.
Let's see them make a higher high here. I want to see them get above 51. Well, they keep touching it, but there's definitely a resistance there. They're trying. All right, there it is. Nice move up.
Nice.
I've got a 45 long on micros. I'm going to take it off here at 53.50. 7-8 point win on the micros. And that might be the Goldilocks exit as it sucks back down. But too early to tell what the intended direction is right now. Just getting jumpy. I know, dude.
Oof. That just sucks right back in.
Lower low. Could be a change in character here. We're starting to get some bright red on the heat map.
Right
Gets
back up.
instantly eaten.
Yep.
Could potentially be head and shoulders. Let's see. Let's see how they
Oh, you look at
react.
those too? Those are one of my favorite patterns, actually. Being
Yeah.
serious too, the head and shoulders.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
actually
No,
like those.
I'm dead serious
Alright.
too. I like head and
Alright,
shoulders.
cool. Yep.
All right. Let's see how it reacts here.
Breakout. Let's see. Come on. I do have some moving averages. I'm not lying about that, but I don't like put
Yeah.
all my emphasis on those.
Yeah, me neither. I do have a moving average on my chart right now, but I don't
It's
pay
nice to
much
see.
attention to it. Yeah, it is a nice little indication of trend.
Mhm.
Yeah, that looks like they're confirming the head and shoulders for now. We are kind of slip ranging here. I've got a 54 short on micros. I'm going to take it off here at 49 for a 5-point win.
Jesus Christ, dude.
Yeah, the reversals,
Wow.
man. This is a reversal market for sure. They've been working really good for me. We're at the bottom of the slip range. Let's see how it reacts here. That is technically a lower low, but they are bottom ticking it. We're relatively thin above. Let's see if they defend 48. It looks like they are. I'm going to try the 48.50 long. And they're going to take it back. So I took a 8-tick loss on that long right there. It was a good attempt. I don't think there's anything wrong with that trade necessarily.
Oof. Jesus. Ripping this thing.
But that is confirmation of a downtrend. So I'm going to start stocking continuation shorts, but I want the good slip favor.
Man, wow.
Got a nice little slip range here with a high node. We just got so much reclaim above us, though. That's the problem. I'm going to try 39.50 short for the slip range. Accepting above, I'm going to take that off for a 4-tick loss just because I do not like that reclaim on the backside. And that looks like that was a good cut.
Man. Oof.
Up, and away. I've got a 39 long on micros. I'm going to take it off here for a 10-point win.
Jesus.
the reversals are really working today.
Holy fuck. Are micros in your prop account or a live account?
Prop.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Build it up.
Yeah, it offsets the losses I'm taking on continuations.
Mm. Yep.
It's kind of like hedging. So it's like a bankroll hedge. I'm not hedging against a certain trade per se, but I'm hedging against the P&L of my account.
Right, the strategy, basically, for
Yeah.
continuation versus reverse, what you're hedging against. Wow. Go for high a day again, huh? Man.
Bright green on
Yeah.
the heat map. Offers starting to hit. We're at the prior value area. Nice little slip range low here around the 64s. Oh yeah, dude, this thing has legs. Fuck, god damn it.
the hell did you eat for breakfast this morning? CO2?
I had huevos rancheros, which is a very heavy fucking lunch.
Yeah, that's a heavy one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so
So
that
do you
was
rely more on your like heat map footprint? I'm sorry, heat map dome chart, or do you look at the other stuff like Fat Cat made, where everything? I'm assuming everything, but like, what do you mostly
um
focus on
for
while you're watching shit?
continuations, I look at the heat map on the DOM,
Okay,
but for reversals, I'm leaning super heavily on the heat map that Fat Cat made.
okay. You're just looking for like the different glowing, high glow shit, or
Yeah,
I'm
if
just
it gets
curious.
if it's super high glow and it's
Mm,
not going any further, that tells me that
reversal
it might be a reversal.
trapped. Got it.
Yeah,
Makes
and
sense.
it
Okay.
helps if I also see trapped buyers or trapped sellers.
Right.
Like
Right. Okay.
right now, there's a big buyer at 70 even, and
Mhm.
it's kind of a coin toss. He could be trapped or he could make another leg up.
Right. Right.
Kind of too early to tell, but if we start getting confirmation of a down move, then I'm going to say he's trapped like
Mhm.
this.
Yep. Makes sense.
That was also kind of a head and shoulders because we failed to make a new high right there at 72.50.
Mhm.
So I'm pretty confident in saying he's trapped, but we do still need to put in some new lower lows, lower highs.
Yep.
Got fat old reclaim below us, which helps. We've got a lot of inventory below us on the cumulative delta, which helps. But nothing is 100% win rate.
Of course. Yeah. I think you're like four versions behind on the Fat Cat studies too,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's true. Yeah,
Gonna
I'll
break out
catch up
here.
someday.
It's a little flag. Let's see. You gonna push up?
Yeah, it might. That 70 is holding now.
Let's see. I'm gonna follow through. Mm,
I've got a 68.50 short. I wish I had better slip entry on it, but it's still well within my risk. I'm risking 72.75 on it.
nice.
It just needs to break this slip range. We got to get below 66s. Big seller on the tape there at 69.25. If he gets trapped, that would flip my bias, and I'd probably flat key. So I want to see him stay in the money. Looks like he is for now. Let's see what we do at the bottom of the slip range. Nice break. Could V flush it though. So if they V flush back above 69.25, I'm probably going to flat key it. Nice continuation down. I'm going to take the 68 short out here for a 5-point win.
Nice.
I think it could run lower, but I didn't like how long I was in that trade.
Mm. It was weird. The top there is getting a little funky.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, failed breakouts can be very, very violent.
Mm-hmm. They're now holding into the reclaim. A little bit of a slip range setting up here. But they're going to take it back. So lower low, that's confirmation of short bias. Let's see if they set up a slip range here. Yeah, a little bit of a slip range. I'm going to try the 59.25 continuation short. Yeah, but it looks like they're going to take it back. So I took a loss on that one. So continuations are not the name of the game today. Shorts are piling in here. Bit of a slip range developing here.
It's gonna pop. Yep. God, of course.
Oh, there's a little bit of 10 o'clock news there.
Yeah, I was gonna say, just knows the time.
Nice slip range setting up. Oh, they're gonna blow it through on pretty high buying.
There it goes. On. Nope. Mm.
Bit of a slip range there, but it's disrespecting it now. Trapped sellers below.
You're looking at.
I'm looking at this hot red glow on the bottom of this channel.
Mm,
I think sellers are pouring in here trying to push it lower, but it's failing.
mm,
So I think there could be a stop run, but I don't have really the confirmation of that until we make a higher high.
yep.
So I want to see how they react to 56s. If they can get above 56s and hold, I think there could be a move up to 64s where we were trading earlier. That's a pretty nice hold. Starting to get some bright greens on the 3-second, which I like. I just want to see them hold that. If that bright green cluster gets trapped, there could be a move down, but for right now, I'm long biased. Down into the prior slip range. Let's see if they hold it. They're coming down again on bright pink. Nice retest there. They retested the prior area of selling. So those sellers are now trapped. The fact that they didn't get bailed out there tells me that they're going to be liquidating their positions. We just need to clear 60s because right now this could be a head and shoulders setup. Yeah, that looks like head and shoulders. So I had a 50 long, but I'm going to take it out here for 54 for 4 points profit. I would have liked to see it get back up to 64s, but this is kind of a confirmation of a down move since we put in that head and shoulders. I want to see us make a lower low before I pursue any shorts, though. Ooh, jumpy little move there.
Mm.
There's the lower low. Let's see, confirmation of slip range here. Looks like it wants to trade lower, which is good. I'm going to try the 50 short for continuation, but it's not going to work. They're going to want that reclaim back. There's a lot of trapped sellers below us. Let's see if we can hold that higher low at 50. Looks like they are. Let's see if we can get a higher high above 56, 50. There it is. Got that really nasty support at 48. Oh yeah, bid's starting to hit down here. They bottom ticked that huge ass slip range. Bidders are trying to redefend here, but they could get squeezed. It's kind of too early to tell. More bids hitting. They need confirmation of an up move though, because if bids keep hitting and it just keeps going lower, they're going to get squeezed to the downside. All right, they're coming out of that nasty little compression. There's the confirmation of an up move.
Mhm. I was literally thinking to myself, I'm gonna go long here, and it just popped up like 20 points.
Nice.
Whatever. I didn't take it. I was like, I'm gonna hit the key, and it was
Yeah, I hear you.
fucking chasing that shit. I like how patient you're being, and you're very good with your reads. Good stuff, man.
Yeah, I'm
Really good stuff.
trying. Hit the
Going back
squirrely
to
little
it.
bitch today, though.
Yeah, yeah. Today's a fucking shit show. But you know what? Is it rather take this or the super slow 1 point, 2 point
Yeah,
chopping ranges that go nowhere
yeah,
for
exactly.
hours? Yeah, pick your poison, as they say.
Big seller hit right there. 400 lots at
Ooh.
48.25.
Nice.
Another liquidity grab. I want to see if he gets trapped. I mean, right now we are in a pretty nasty down move.
Yeah.
A lot of sellers down here in the 46 area. I want to see that big ass seller at 48.25 get trapped, but I'm not sure it's going to happen.
Shared screen. Okay.
Nasty little slip range here.
Jesus.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Okay.
She wants it. She wants those lows.
Mm-hmm.
Good
Reclaim.
sitting
Let's see.
there. Bottom tick of low of day. Still got that nasty seller up there.
Right back up.
Oh yeah.
Gotta love that.
Cheeky little V flush there.
Jesus. Yep. Nasty woman. How like Greg can't speak on his own? That's so weird.
Yeah, you guys are gonna let me in.
Yeah, it's. I think it's when other people are speaking. It doesn't. You have to like invite or be invited. But I don't know. I've changed the permissions 1,000 times. I don't know. Discord's fucking stupid. I don't know what to say. It's
It
like
is.
all set properly, but it's just like nope. Whatever. How you doing, Greg?
Up and down, but you
Okay.
know, up one lotting and micro. What can you do?
Mm,
Holy
I know.
shit, dude!
It's tough, man. I
Um,
know.
Yeah, she's
I think
squirrely.
about 202 and a
Nice.
muff live sim. I call it muff.
Muff.
My phone.
Muff.
I put a fixed stop today
Mm.
of $50 because it's so volatile. I'm like, okay, it might be 4 or 5 hits here, $50.
Yep.
It sucks, but
Yeah, of
um,
course. Oh, excuse me.
super violent,
Yeah, no, his moves are crazy.
insane. That was damn it, man.
Those huevos
Damn it, Jim.
rancheros.
I'm not a doctor.
Just too
Jesus.
You gotta
gassy,
let it
dude.
out, man. There's a lot. Oh, look at this. There's a lot of stress. I mean, I'm feeling it today.
This is crazy.
Fucking kill. I can't believe I'm up. Probably gonna wait here. It's back into the, like basically the range and the high volume node.
Yep.
Very difficult. Good trading though. I was listening. Really good.
Yeah, he's crushing it today. Blown away.
Yeah, you caught big
Trying.
moves. We're both.
Yeah.
I think we're both trying to hold them, which is great.
Yeah,
Like,
it is kind of that environment.
just trying to stay with it, and the NQ you can't.
No.
It will reverse 100 points. Like
Right. Like this morning, I had a 10-point trade on a one lot that literally lasted 1 second. I was in and out.
Yep.
I was like, okay, cool.
Sometimes you
I'll take my 10 points.
just staring at that book map, and then I'm like, all right, it's pushing here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit on it, or can I go with this bust up?
Right.
All right, it busts up. ES goes with it. They sell into the ES
And
a
then
little
they
bit.
fail breakout, and then it comes right back on you.
Right under the 75s too. There's a front run of the 75s of the NQ. It comes right back in. You could buy the reload here, but some asshole just showed up on 55s. There's a lot of stuff above us now. Ugh. Super stressful. Coming back to the volume weighted average price, 687. NQ floats is 58. The 100 lot at 60 they're trying to get. 60.75. I don't know. Yeah, it's really thick right here. It's the fastest we've seen it in a while, besides yesterday.
Pretty crazy last week too, if I remember. A couple days,
Ugh.
everybody.
Whew. I had a 38 long.
Whoa,
Took it
Oh,
off. I took it off here.
it's a god trade.
dude.
I took heat on the
That's a-
way down, so I'm not. It wasn't a massive trade by any means.
It's a god trade, 38 to 60 in the ES.
Damn, dude. Bottom
Ryan.
tipped that motherfucker. Shit.
By
Little
no
bit of
means
selling.
perfect. I took heat on the way down there, trying to get the long.
Yeah,
on the
when they
micros.
say Rip said it, it's never going to be pretty.
Yeah.
Whether you like him or not, it's never going to be. It's true. It's never going to be fucking pretty.
I like the
Fractal
bottom of the
swing with
slip
any
range
two.
here. We got that big old buyer at 57 that appears to be holding for the time being.
Yeah, they're selling hard into the ES, but they're not getting through 58 yet. There's a good lift there.
Yeah, I had a 58.50 long, took it off at 60.25.
Nice. Good
for
job,
the
man. You're really in
continuation.
tune, brother.
I'm trying.
Fucking,
The
you're like
continuations
an
are dragging me
good
down, though.
read, expert sniper shit. Coming to the top of the swing.
Mm,
Also, not that far from the open. The open's a little bit above us, and of course, 700 in the micro ES. Micro NQ. Very volatile there. Those 60s just took a whack on the. Yes, there's a lot of selling with this particular down move. The liquidity is below and above.
yeah,
There's
they're
people below us on
chewing
the
away at that big
NQ.
buyer. I'm not sure he's going to
Lots
hold.
of selling, bro. Watch this here for a reload.
That big buyer's underwater now.
You see, they try to lift it and they can't. We'll see if they slam back in or it rips. Drifty up in the NQ. Comes the NQ getting hit to the bottom side, maybe? Don't know. They lifted it. Still a lot of selling into this ES. Well, now there's a guy above us in the NQ. Not good. They took it.
That was a bit of a butthole clencher. I had a 57.50 long out at 58.75 for 5 ticks.
Nice, because it looked bad for a second.
Yeah, I did look bad for a second there,
Mhm.
so I wasn't going to
But
hold
it was
that.
like all sell. It was so much. There was so much sell delta.
Mm-hmm.
At 57 to 56, and then woo, saved by the bell. Good job.
Oh.
They fucking wow, man, a ripper. 50s to
Sheesh.
20s here. That's a 70-point move in the NQ. I'm kind of SOH now. I think I pressed my luck. It's coming up on 10:30 Eastern.
Yeah, I'm going to call it here soon. A big old seller, 65.75, 350
Got 'em.
lot.
Yeah, 390 sells back in. I see it, bro. They're right on them
Mhm.
now. 400. Good read. It got thick up there. They're having a hard time getting through it, but could reload.
Yeah,
Lots of selling off that guy. It's
Yeah.
all being that big sell right there triggered this little drift down. See if they keep it up or they gotta reload it. Wicked difficult up here. NQ doing a super heavy chop up here on that 720. Boom. Boom.
all right, I'm going to take
Whatever.
that one. I had a short 63.75 out at 60.50 on the micros.
Definitely, bro.
Not
Fuck
a
that. That's
huge
a nice
trade,
trade.
but I'm not going to hold that any longer.
Well, you're seeing it and you're executing. That's the most important bit. here.
Yeah.
Like I sit here and I
Mhm.
watch it and I'm like, I don't like it. I just fag out and then I miss it or whatever. So
Mhm.
It takes years to get that read that you have.
yeah,
Years of doing this shit.
it absolutely does.
But we're at top of
Years.
the hour, so I think I'm going to call it. See
Good trading, bro.
Yeah,
where
man.
I'm sitting
What
today.
firm? What firm are you using?
I am with Lucid right now.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm up 246 before commissions today, but I had a lot of execution, so realistically, I'm probably only up like 150, 175. But
Yeah,
I'll
at least
still
it's
take it.
they're
Awesome.
only $1. You know what I mean? They're only
Yeah,
a buck a round trip, and this
yeah,
goddamn
and the minis aren't bad, but the 5 lot micros, if I'm executing a
suck.
whole bunch on those, that the
Hey, get
commissions,
fucked.
yeah, the
Yeah.
commissions eat you.
That's
So
like I'm in this FFU, and it's $1.90.
That's
Yeah.
$1.90 a round trip. It's like yeah,
They need a point on the MNQ just to fucking make 10
yeah,
cents. It's crazy.
it's like swacked spread. You know?
Ugh. Fuck me. God damn it, dude.
All right, right back to that guy that hit into it. There's nobody here. Nobody's home. Can they do it? There's 75 on the other side. 67, 67. It's my birth year.
Mm.
I don't know why everybody's so freaked out about that fucking number.
6, 7.
6,
Yeah, what the
7.
fuck is that? It's my fucking
It's-
birthday.
I don't even know. Some retarded internet meme. My freaking 6-year-old son does it. I'll be counting or I'll go 6, 7. They go 6, 7. I'm like, oh Jesus
Oh
Christ.
man.
And my
Fucking
4-year-old's doing
mom.
it too. I'm like, come on,
Aw.
who are you? She just repeats
It's
what
like
he says, so it's okay.
they're probably jokesters like you, bro.
Oh yeah,
They're
no,
probably
they're
true.
just being silly. I don't give a shit. I don't even I don't even know what the meme means. So whatever. Neither do they.
Their mom's a teacher, man. They got both ends of the spectrum.
Yeah.
A businessman and a teacher. It's a
Yeah,
good
yeah.
combination, bro.
Yeah, it's all right. I don't know if I call myself a businessman. I'm pretty piss poor at being running my business, but hey, whatever.
Well, entrepreneur,
Yeah,
gambler, risk
gambler. There you go.
taker.
Gambler who doesn't like to gamble. There you go. Like we go to I'll go to Mohegan. My buddy,
Mm.
I haven't gone in a while, but and like he'll be hitting the fucking ATM like 3 or 4 times. I'm like, I'll bring like $500 to me, and if I lose it and it's gone, that's it. I'm done. I just walk around, I get my free drinks, and sit at the fucking thing while he pisses away money. You know, a few times I've hit like 500 or 1,000 or whatever, but you know, and I'll keep half of it, you know, and then we'll go out to a nice dinner, and that's it. But I'm like, I don't, I'm not giving my money away. Fuck that.
Oh,
I'd rather go to a nice steak dinner than fucking put it in a machine. And he's over
oh,
there hitting
God.
the ATM. I'm like,
Ryan,
ah,
they
good.
built a Hollywood casino 7
Mhm.
minutes from here. 7 minutes.
Okay. Oh,
I've,
Bethlehem, right? Or no? Are you? Oh, yeah.
what is it?
Never mind.
Morgantown.
Morgantown.
Mor-
Okay, gotcha.
It's right off the turnpike. It's
Ah,
been there
yeah.
for many, many years now. And there was a big fight to make sure they didn't. The town was like,
Yeah, of
no, we're not.
course. Yeah.
But of course, they won because of the
Yeah.
money.
They want the money.
I,
Same here. I've
I
lived
have
a mile down the road from me, so I know.
I do so much gambling in these evals. It takes
Just
so
go to
much
there.
stress. I never go to that fucking place.
That's
Honestly,
funny.
dude, just go there. At least you get free drinks and some
Yeah, I'm
comps.
thinking if I go to the roulette wheel,
Uh,
why buy these evals? And
Blackjack's a better game because at least you're playing against the other players, not the house per se. So that's the only game like the odds are actually better suited for you, they say. But I'm not a gambler. I don't even know how to play cards,
now,
honestly. So what the fuck do I know?
like I said, they opened this place 7 minutes from here, and it's been like
Hmm
10 years now. I've never gone,
Same, dude. I
not
literally have
one
one.
fucking time.
I could walk there. Oh, it's a little bit of a walk. I could ride my
I don't
bike to
even,
the place down here, and I don't care. It's always
no,
packed too. All the old farts, fucking pissing away
yeah.
their money. Yeah, that usual shit.
Half the people are sitting there in diapers, so you don't have to go
Yeah,
pee.
half alive, pushing the button. Exactly. It's fucking ridiculous. Well, it's all video here. There's no like tables or anything because it's some weird regulation. But you know, I
Oh
don't
yeah,
know.
I think that's in Massachusetts. It was that way.
Yeah.
Taunton, Mass had a racetrack.
Mm,
I think it was dogs,
mm.
and they built the casino there. That wasn't too far from where I lived, North Attleboro. Getting real drifty in here. Kind of a lift up into this.
Hiss again. Jesus.
It's really hard today. Oh my god, I'm actually
That's what she said.
shaking.
If we get a pullback long here, I don't know.
We're at the top
I
of this
don't think
thing.
so.
It's kind of range. It's like a range sack over range sack over range sack. And you get this lift. It's super thin on both sides. There's stuff like 790 in the NQ.
Push through. Let's see here.
No, it's very drifty, but it could pop.
Yeah.
I hate buying it this high.
I know. This tape is good, decent buying, but just now it's just fucking mixed. I don't know.
It's
I hate
like
that.
lower. It's a lower high as it drifts back. Thing to do on the end, the micro is try to get a little bit of a dump here, and then
Then
see
go
if you
in.
can catch one of those thin lifts up.
Well,
See how it's trying so hard. It can't go out, but it's not a good spot to buy it. You need to get a fractal dump here.
Chronic's got a fractal dump this morning.
Oh, dude.
Oh,
It
no,
was
did you, bro?
fractal. It was fractal, let me tell you.
So I had a
Spray the
shift.
ball.
Yep.
I had a shift the other night at 6 o'clock to 10, and I
blew
had
it
to
out.
crap. Oh, dude, I tell you, I'm like, I can't do that. I can't use a public restroom.
No, fake that,
So
that
I
shit.
took a bunch of ammonium AD, the green little pills, the anti-diarrhea.
Constipate yourself.
I
Oh,
haven't
dude,
shit for 3
Uh,
fucking days.
oh
I'm
my
fucking
god.
sick. Oh my
you're gonna
god.
be blowing
One of
up.
you guys are gonna have to come down here with a fucking pair of
Oh,
pliers and
ooh,
pull that shit out.
Replies.
oh
I do that
man.
to dogs every day, dude. I don't need to do it to
I'm
you.
like, I've been eating the salt the last couple days. I'm like, fuck this. Come
Dude,
on.
that's bad, man.
Fuck. My life
Listen,
is a
I've
mess.
I've had a shit in Penn Station more than once. I've shit on an airplane when it was at
Oh,
the gate. Which, by the way, they don't tell you this, but the water is not turned on in the sink when the plane is parked at the gate. So if you have to go to the bathroom,
Oh,
you can't wash your hands. And I learned that the hard way. And I'll tell that story another time when things are slow. But anyway, yeah, I've had my fair share of horrible shitting experience, and I have like IBS bad. So for me, it's just like everywhere I go, I'm like, "Where's the bathroom?" So
yeah.
it's, but yeah,
Yeah.
I fucking
I
hate
had
that
that
shit.
diverticulitis. So when I'm driving to
Oof.
work at 5 in the morning, all this fucking pain starts happening. And you're like, God,
Uh,
stop.
yeah, that's fucking
Stop. I just
painful.
want to day trade so I can have a bathroom within 10 feet of me. The pain's unbelievable from that. It's your intestines that are like inflamed.
yeah,
Yep.
that's
It's like,
nasty.
oh my Lord. You don't know if you have to shit, puke, or
That's
die.
horrible.
It's horrible.
Yeah, I used
There
to
you
have
go.
that
They
problem.
popped that 790 guy in the NQ and they fall right back. The ES is jamming this 65 area. I don't know. Now somebody defends 64s in the NQ. Very, very tough, tight spot here. Be careful, guys.
Yeah, it's
What
super
fucking
tight.
time is it? 10:36. Sorry for the coughing. It's coming from Home Depot.
The Home
I'm
Depot look.
getting poisoned with the dust.
Yeah, dust will do that to you.
It's so bad, dude.
Just wear your
All the new.
mask.
Oh shit! That would. Oh my god! You imagine? Because people still do,
They still do. I
and
know
they're
in the
so
car by
creepy.
themselves. Uh-huh.
I'm like, I feel sorry for you. And I know you have like,
They usually have a particular political persuasion. Those people, so
yeah,
you kind of know what
like,
you're dealing with.
and they look at you with their eyes. Like they're so